Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code WC-34737-4, how to fix your invalid credit card. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So are you trying to make PlayStation Store purchases and your credit card is invalid and it will not go through with the transaction? Well, this could be very easy for you to fix. So on the home screen of the PlayStation 4, let's go over to Settings and then go to Account Management and then go to Account Information. Now under this list, let's go to Wallet and go to our payment methods. This will be our credit cards or PayPal. Now let's go to our credit card or debit cards. And if you have one on file and it's not working, go ahead and go to it and delete it from this list. And then go to Add Credit Card / Debit Card and re-add it to your PlayStation 4. And make sure your cardholder name is exactly how it's spelled on your credit card itself. And just verify the rest of the information is entered correctly, along with your security code, which is located on the back of your credit card. So once you double checked all this information, go to Next and try your purchase again. Now the next thing to do if your purchase is not going through, you can go ahead and try using a PayPal account if you do have one. And if your credit card is listed on there, your PayPal account can make your purchase. And if that doesn't work, there's one thing you should double check is your address on your PlayStation account. If it's different from the one on your credit card, this may be causing your error. So under account information, if we go to address, you can change your address location and make sure this is the same as your credit card. If your area code is wrong or too far off, this is probably the reason you're getting this error. Now, if you go back to Wallet, you can go ahead and try to add funds to your account. And if you're trying to buy a video game or something, adding the funds first and then making the purchase may alleviate your error and allow you to have the transaction go through. Now, the last thing I can think of that may possibly help you out is by making the purchase on a different platform. So if you are on the PlayStation 4, go ahead and try downloading the PlayStation application on your phone and going to the store and adding your credit card and making the purchase. There could be some kind of issue on the PlayStation 4 that just is not allowing you to have your credit card on file and make the transaction. So going to a web browser or going to your phone application could help you out with your problem. But if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.